Hi everyone. I discovered a few things today that I wanted to share with you. I think you might find it helpful as you work through your assignments. The first thing I want to mention is these screen capture videos that I am creating. I use a tool called ScreenPal. The link is in the Canvas site. It is a free tool. The only limitation is the free version will only give you 15-minute continuous recording time. So if your recording is going to be longer than that, just do it in chunks. But otherwise, it's a really nice recording tool for screen captures. You can also capture the camera to overlay on this or just the camera and not the screen. So there are options for you to play with. Okay, that said, so I was working on the slides for my AI course, Sync Session 1, as it says over there. I drafted my agenda and then I was working through my slides with, just the bullet points like we usually do. And then all of a sudden I noticed this little button that said beautify this slide. So I decided I'll just try that. When I tried that, since I already did it, I'm going to pull it up for you to see. But what it did was, let's look at an, yep. What it did was it started creating these lovely options on this side. As you can see, it's given me 3 options over here. And this one just, and then you've got another layout and then the last layout. Now, I can select any of them. So when I click on it, it kind of pulls it up over here. And I can decide whether I want to insert it as a new slide or just insert it over it. And I can try all of them to see which one I like. Now, I'm not doing any of these because these are the ones that I finally went with. And as you can see, the bullet list that looked like this looks really nice now. It's included icons and just the whole layout is just so much better looking. And I can tell you this is vastly better than the designer option that Microsoft has with its PowerPoint. This has actually blowing my mind at this point, and that seems to happen very frequently now with all the things that these tools can do. So this is one layout. The other one was this. It's quite different, and yet some of them are the same, right? I'm going with this layout because for the other slides, when I was doing, again, the same kind of bullet list like I have over here, the options that it started giving me were like this. So this is where I first started. And so this is just the bullet list. And I mean, it's just phenomenal the way it has created this slide. This is the next slide that I asked it to beautify, and I went with this layout. And like I said, it gives you a couple of options for you to choose from. I really liked it. And notice I was using the USU template and it maintained the template. This is a limitation I have discovered with Microsoft PowerPoint, which is if I use a template, then the designer option doesn't work very well. Google, however, does not seem to have that problem. So when I saw this, I was like, I really have to share this with you also. If you're working on PowerPoints, definitely think about taking advantage of this tool.